Good morning, students. I am Narazu, Maths faculty in Target School at Tadpatri. So observe 8th and 9th class students playing with numbers 46. This is the last part of a video. So in that we discuss different problems. What is that? First one, what is amicable numbers? Okay, and what is next sum of first n natural numbers formulas and related problems, and also how to find the unit digit of 2 power n, 3 power n up to 9 power n formation. Next, what is Armstrong numbers? What is Armstrong numbers? So first of all, we discuss about amicable numbers. Amicable numbers, nothing but friendly numbers. So if it is both any two members are friendly nature means automatically their opinions are equal. So like that, by proving numerical value, students, here it is. Observe carefully, all of you. Right. What is amicable numbers? Observe here. Definition. Two numbers are said to be amicable numbers if the sum of the divisors of a one number excluding itself, that means except that value, excluding itself is equal to the other number. That means, observe here, students, 220, 284 are amicable numbers. First of all, I taken sum of divisors nothing but factors. So sum of divisors of 284 equal to, which are the divisors? 1, 2, 4, 71, 142 are divisors. Here don't take 284. So we know that every number is a factor of itself. Don't take 284. That's why I taken here except 284. There some values 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 71 plus 140, it becomes 220. So the divisors of 284 is equal to 220. Then also we have taken sum of divisors of 220 except 220. These are the factor. Their summation equal to 284. So factors of 220 is equal to 284. Factors of 284 equal to 220. That means both are amicable numbers or friendly numbers. So some more, so many amicable numbers are there. We have taken just three are I introduced here. Observe here, 1184 and 1210 are amicable numbers. 2620 and 2924 are amicable numbers. 5020 and 5564 are also amicable numbers. And identify them, students, remaining one or two amicable numbers. Let's go for another Armstrong number. Right. Observe the definition of Armstrong numbers. Armstrong introduced these numbers. That's why we called as Armstrong numbers. Armstrong is one of the famous mathematician. Right. What is Armstrong numbers? Observe. Armstrong numbers are the sum of their own digits. Sum of their own digits to the power of the number of digits. Power of the number of digits. So I taken one number, that is 153. 153 is the Armstrong number. So satisfy the definition. I will check it. Armstrong numbers are the sum of their own digits. Sum of their own digits. That means 1 plus 5 plus 3. Sum of their own digits to the power of the number of digits. Power of the number of digits. How many digits are there? 3 digits. That means here 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equal to. Yes, observe 1 cube value. How much 1 cube value? 1 plus 5 cube value 125 plus 3 cube value 27. Sum of this value becomes 153. What the number we have taken? How many number of digits? Observe. So 3 digits are there. That's why 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. Their summation must be equal to this value. Then the number is called as Armstrong number. Yes, we have taken Armstrong numbers. Armstrong numbers up to 10 digits are. Up to 10 digits are. So 1 also Armstrong number. Why? Because of 1 power 1. 1 power 1 equal to 1. 2 power 1 also it becomes 2. 3 power 1 also it becomes 3. Isn't it or not? That's why. So 1 to 9 also it is an Armstrong numbers. There is no 2 digit numbers in any Armstrong number. Next 153. So no need to. There is no two-digit numbers. Next, 153, 370, 371 are three-digit numbers. Three-digit Armstrong number. Next, 4 digits Armstrong number. 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, 8 digits, 9 digits, 10 digits Armstrong numbers are there. Not only these, but also so many 4 digits, 5 digits numbers are there, students. It is very, very important in competitive side, in nothing but in ATSC examination and RY examination, whatever it may be, and the AP teachers examination. It is very, very important, students. Learn carefully and practice carefully. Keep in your mind and memorize in your mind always. Yes, observe students, this type of models are very important. Here summation, differentiation, product, whatever it may be. Observe what they given. Find the units digit in 264 whole power 102 plus 264 whole power 103. Yes, first observe students, solution given. We find the unit digit of their summation value. Okay, so observe here, students. 4. What about the unit digit of this value? It becomes 4. Here also 4 is there. So observe here, 4 square value. 4 square means 16. Next, 4 power 4 equal to 4 square into 4 square. So 16 into 16, it becomes 256. 256. What about the unit digit here? 6. Here 4 square value also it is, unit digit is 6. Is it clear or not? So first of all, observe students carefully. Okay, select this. Unit digit of unit digit of 264. So here 264 whole power 102 means we have taken only unit digit, students. Unit digit of 4 power 102. 4 power 102. Unit digit of first value we have taken here in that, which is the unit digit 4. 4 power 102 taken, students. So then that implies 4 square value is 16. 16 means unit digit is 6. 4 power 4 also 256. What is the unit digit? Also 6. So this power convert into 4 multiple. That means 4 of. Okay. 4 power 102. Here do rough the side. So 4 to 8. 4 to 8. Next 2 is there. 4 5 20. 4 5 20. That means 102 can be written as 4 of 25 plus 2. 4 of 25 plus 2. Is it clear, all of you? 25 4 is 100. 100 plus 2, 102 students. So here observe. Let them first one. This is in the form of a power m plus n. A power m plus n means a power m into a power n. So let them first value. What about remaining? 4 square. 4 square means it becomes 16. What is its unit digit? It becomes 6, students. It becomes 6. Comes to next one. Unit digit of. And second one, 4 power 103. 4 power 103. That means observe students here also as we say 4 power 4 of 25 plus 3 equal to. So let them this first value. Next 4 cube. 4 cube. 4 4 is 64. 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. 4 cube value 64. Here what about the unit digit? 4. Okay. Then we find observe students, all of you. Unit digit of 4 power 102, that is 6. Next, unit digit of 4 power 103, it becomes 4. Next one, whole, we have taken summation, students. So therefore, required unit digit of 264 whole power 102 plus 264 whole power 103 equal to. Okay, 264 whole power 102 digit is nothing but 6. And again, this value nothing but 4. It becomes 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 value how much? How much? 10. So in 10, what about the unit digit? 0. So that's why unit digit equal to 0. This is the way of approachment, students. And again, observe, practice carefully. I explain one more related problem, students, here. Right. Observe, students, some more related problem of one more example. Find the unit digits in the total 502 whole power 304 plus 503 whole power 304 plus 505 whole power 304. Yes. Observe the solution. Solution given. So, first formula read down. Required unit digit. Required unit digit. Yes, or first model problem or this model. Observe the same approachment the solution. Required unit digit equal. What about first number unit digit is 2? Is it or not? So, unit digit of okay, 2 power 304 plus next 3 power 304 plus and also 5 power 304. 5 power 304. We find 2 power 304 unit digit value, next 3 power and 5 power, students. So observe carefully here. What about 2 power 4 value? Observe, students. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 nothing but 16. In the power 4 multiple, the unit digit must be 6. The unit digit must be 6. Next one, 3 power 4, observe. So 3 power 4 means 81. In 81, what about the unit digit? 1. So we have taken 1. Next, 5 power 4. 5 power 4. 5 5 is a 25. 25 into 6, 25. What about the unit digit here? 5. So same like that, we have taken here 2 power 304 can be written as 2 power 304 can be written as, so 2 power 4 of 304. Aside to for students, 304. 4 7s are 28. 4 6s are 24. 4 6s are 24. So 304 can be written as 4 of 76. 4 of 76 equal. 4 of 76 means it is a 4 multiple or not? 4 multiple. So observe here, 4 multiple, unit digit always in 6. So 2 power 304 unit digit equal to 6. Unit digit equal to 6. And again here, next 3 power 304 equal to, here also 3 power 4 of 76. So 3 power 4. In the 4 multiple. What about the unit digit? 1. So here also 1 taken, students. Next 5 power 304 equal to 5 of 4 of 76 equal to, it becomes, what about 5 power 4 unit digit is 5. Here also 5 taken, students. This is the rougher part, students. So practice rougher doing in right side, not in left side, doing right side. But here board not comfortable, that's why taken in left side. So here is it, students. This is the way of approachment. So here what we written, unit digit. So unit digit of 2 power 304 equal to 6. Next, unit digit of 3 power 304 equal to 1. Next, unit digit of 5 power 304 equal to 5. So finally, therefore, required unit digit. Required unit digit. Required unit digit equal to. So here what they given, unit digit of 2 power, 3 power, 5 power, 304. Means this value is summation. So that is 6 plus 1 plus 5. So it becomes 12. In the 12, what about the unit digit? 2. So 2 is the final solution. 2 is the final solution. This is the way of approachment, students. Practice carefully. Very, very important in the NTSC examination, ROA, Whatever it may be, very very important here. Okay, and go for next model. Right, students, summation is completed. Now go for subtraction. The digit in the units place of the number represented by 7 power 95 minus 3 power 58. Same procedure, other students. Solution given. Solution given. Right. Required unit digit. Required unit digit. Required unit digit equal to unit digit of unit digit of unit digit of already unit digit is given. So 7 power 95 minus 3 power 58, students. 3 power 58. Then we find the 7 power 95 unit digit and then remaining. So first of all, units place unit digit of 7 power 95. 7 power 95 equal to 7 power. This value can be expressed as a 4 multiple. So then that implies, so 4 of, okay, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 plus 3. Okay, students, clear all of you? Okay, this is 4 multiple. Don't take this part, let them this one. So it becomes a power m plus n. A power m plus n formula, a power m into a power n. So a power this value, let them a power n, that is 7 cube. So 7 cube value is 343. In 343, what about the unit digit? So it is 3. 3 is the unit digit. And comes to second one, unit digit of 3 power 58. 3 power 58 equal to, same procedure, 3 power 4 of, yes, 4 1 is 4. Next one, 4 4 ja 16 plus 2. So it becomes, so 14 4 ja 56 plus 2 58. Okay, students, same procedure, a power m plus n equal to a power m into a power n. A power m part, let them here. Next 3 square. 3 square nothing but 9. Okay, here 343 means we have taken here 3. 3 nothing but 13 taken. If it is in larger number position, then finally therefore required number equal to. So here 7 power 95 is a big number position. Here 3 replace we have taken 13. 3 means 13 minus 3 power 58 value, it becomes 9. 13 minus 9, it becomes 4 is the final solution. So practice carefully, students, and learn carefully. Next, product problem, students. Observe. Find the units digit in the product of 2467 whole power 153 into 341 whole power 72. Same procedure, students. Solution given. Required unit digit. Required unit digit. Required unit digit equal to unit digit of, here in that, which is the unit digit? 7 power 153, here 1 power 72. So unit digit of 7 power 153 into 1 power 72 into 1 power 72. Yes, we find unit digit of 7 power 153. So unit digit, so UD taken, students. UD of 7 power 153 equal to 7 power, this value can be expressed as a 4 multiple, that is 4 of 4 3 ja 12. Next 4 8 ja 32 plus 1. So 4 into 38 plus 1. Okay, a power m plus n formula, a power m into a power n. A power m process, let them here. So remaining here 7 power 1. 7 power 1 nothing but 7. Next, unit digit of 1 power 72. 1 power 72 nothing but 1. Finally, therefore, required unit digit equal to. So 7 power 153 unit digit is 7, and also unit digit of 1 power 72 equal to 1. So then that implies 7 into 1, it becomes 7. This is the way of approachment, students. And also second model of product, how it is given? The unit digit in the product of 274 into 318 into 517 into 313. Same procedure. Solution given required unit digit equal to. Here what about the unit digit? 4. Here 8. Here 7. There 3. So that is 4 into 8 into 7 into 3. Okay, students, observe here. 3 7 21. 21 into 8. So 168. 168 into 4. 168 into 4. 4 8 32. 4 6 24. 27. 4 1 is 4 plus 2. 672. So 672. In 672, what about the unit digit? 2. So finally, the unit digit of the product will be equal to 2 is the final solution, students. That is the way of approachment. Then we discuss remaining problem, students. Right. Next model, students, observe 4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 plus 4 power 63 plus 4 power 64 is divisible by dash. Divisible by which numbers? So here, approaching the solutions. Solution given 4 power 61 plus 4 power 62 plus 4 power 63 plus 4 power 64 equal to. In all this number, 4 power 61 plus 1. Is it or here 4 power 61 plus 2, 4 power 61 plus 3. So in all this number, 4 power 61 as a common factor. Okay, so 4 power 61 of, so first one, there is no number, 1 plus, here 4 power 62 means 4 power 1 is remaining. 4 power 1 nothing but 4 plus. Here also 4 power 61 common factor remaining 4 square, that is 4 square plus and also 4 cube. Is it clear, students, all of you? Right. 61 plus 1 4 power 62, 61 plus 2 4 power 63, 61 plus 3 4 power 64. So then that implies 4 power 61 into, okay, we have taken again brackets. 1 plus 4 5. 4 square value how much? So 1 plus 4 5 plus 4 square value 4 4 is 16 plus 4 cube value 16 4 is 64. So then that implies here 4 power 60, 61 means 4 power 60 into 4, okay, into again 4 power 60 into 4 power 1 nothing but 4 power 61. Next 64 plus 16 80, 80 plus 5 85. Now clear, I thought. So then that implies 4 power 60 means 4 product. 4 1 is 4, 4 5 is 20. That is, we are taking same as it is, 4 power 60 into, okay, 4 5 is 20, 4 8 is 60, 80. 4 5 is 20, 4 8 is 32, 4 5 is 20, 4 8 is 32 plus 2, 340. So observe here also unit digit is 0. 4 power 60 means automatically here also unit digit is 0. If unit digit is 0, observe the divisible rule for 10. The unit digit is 0, then automatically the number is divisible by 10. So here by taking this product, therefore this number, therefore it is simply divisible by 10. It is divisible by 10. It is also very, very important model. So practice carefully, students, all of you. Right, students? Observe page number 336, exercise 15.6 problems. So first model 1 problem, students. Find the sum of integers which are divisible by 5 from 1 to 100. From 1 to 100. Yes. Solution of the students. The integers which are divisible by 5 from 1 to 100 are yes. What about the numbers 5, 10, 15, and which is the last number? 100 also included here. So and so on 100 and so on 100. Understand? The integers which are divisible by 5 from 1 to 100 are 1 to 100 but not between. So 5, 10, 15 and so on 100. So we take the summation value. Therefore, sum of the integers simply sum equal to, so 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus and so on 100. Then that implies in all the numbers 5 as a common factor. That is 5 1 is 5, 2, 3 and so on finally 20. So here observe student, this is the sum of first 20 natural numbers. What about the sum of first n natural numbers formula? Yes, that is n of n plus 1 by 2. N of n plus 1 by 2. So by using that formula, so then that implies here how many numbers are there? 20 numbers are there. So 5 into, apply this only formula, n of n plus 1, that means 20 into 20 plus 1, it becomes 21 by 2. So observe the formula, aside summation n equal to n of n plus 1 by 2. N of n plus 1 by 2. Okay. Here observe 2 ones, 2 tens. It becomes 5 into 21 tens are 2 10. Finally, that solution is 5 zeros are 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So 1050. 1050 is the final solution. Okay, student? This is the way of approachment. I gave one homework problem. So, homework students, find the sum of first 25 natural numbers. 25 natural numbers. 25 natural numbers which are divisible by 3. Like the students. Okay? This is the way of approachment, students. So solve that problem also. We go for next model, students. Right. Next model 2. Find the sum of integers which are divisible by 2 from 11 to 50 but not 1 to 50, students. So approach the solution. Yes, directly. Sum of integers which are divisible by 2. From 11 to 50. From 11 to 50. From 11 to 50 means we cannot find directly value, students. First we have taken 1 to 50 minus 1 to 10. Is it clear or not? So next one, sum of integers which are divisible by 2 from 1 to 50. First of all, 1 to 50 minus next sum of integers which are divisible by 2 from 1 to 10. From 1 to 10. So from 1 to 50, subtract 1 to 10, automatically you can get 11 to 50. Is it clear or not? So then that implies, observe here, integers which are divisible by 2. Integers which are divisible by 2 means we are taken here 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on plus 50 minus here also 2 plus 4 plus and so on plus 10. Okay, in all the terms. 2 as a common factor. 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus 25 minus, here also 2 as a common factor, 1 plus 2 plus and so on plus 5. Use the formula sum of first n natural numbers formula, that is n of n plus 1 by 2. You know very well. That is 2 of n means how many numbers are there? 25. 25 into 26 by 2. Here minus 2 of, here also 5 into 6 by 2. Here 2 to get cancelled. 25 into 26. Do rough work aside. So 25, 26 into 25. 5 6 are 30. 5 2 is 10 plus 13, 130. Next 2 6 are 12. 2 2 is 4 plus 1 5. 5 650. So this value 650 minus 5 6 are, here also 2 to get cancelled. 5 6 are 30. So it becomes finally 620 is the solution. 620 is the solution. And do homework, students. What is the formula? Find the sum of integers which are divisible by 5 taken. Which are divisible by 5 from 50 to 85. From 50 to 85. This is the homework problem, students. Homework. Observe the solution, all of you. Homework again. Find the sum of integers which are divisible by 5 from 50 to 85. Okay, students, clear, all of you? Right. Go for next problem. Right. Next model, students. Find the sum of integers which are divisible by 2 and 3 from 1 to 100. Here 2 and 3 is given. Okay. Observe, students. Solution given. So, if what is given, we have taken the LCM of both numbers. That is, LCM of 2 and 3 equal to 6. That means, we have taken the 6 multiples of integers. Okay? Therefore, the numbers are simply the integers. The integers which are divisible by, which are multiples of 6 better, which are multiples of 6 are, multiples of 6 are from 1 to 50, which are multiples of 6 from 1 to 50 equal to, so 6, 12, 18, at last 48, students. So we have taken the summation, sum equal to 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus and so on plus 48. 6 as a common factor. 6 of 1 plus 2 plus 3. So on, so on. 6 8 is 48. So using sum of first n natural numbers formula, what is the sum of first n natural numbers? N of n plus 1 by 2. Here n equal to 8. So that is 8 into 9 by 2. So 2 ones, 2 3s. It becomes 3 into 8 9s are 72. So it becomes 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. So 216 is the final solution, students. Okay. Right. Next model, students. Find the sum of integers which are divisible by 2 or 5 from 1 to 100. Here r is given. If it is r is given, how to approach the solution observe? And is given, we are approaching model 3. Now model 4. So directly we have taken sum of integers. Sum of integers which are divisible by 2 or 5 from 1 to 100, from 1 to 100 equal to, okay, first 2 multiples, next 5 multiples, 2 into 5, 2 5s are 10 multiples taken, students. So how it is observed? Sum of integers which are divisible by 2 minus plus sum of integers which are divisible by 5 minus sum of integers which are divisible by both means 2 5s are 10, which are divisible by 10. This is the way of approachment, students. Sum of integers which are divisible by 2, divisible by 5, their summation, subtraction of their LCM. So then that implies sum of divisible by 2 from 1 to 100, that is 2 plus 4 plus and so on 100, and here plus 5 plus 10 plus and so on plus 100 minus 10 plus 20 plus and so on 100, and finally then that implies 2 as a common factor, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on 50 plus, and again here 5 as a common factor, 1 plus 2 up to 20 minus 10 as a common factor, 1 plus 2 and so on plus 10. Use first sum of first year natural numbers formula, then that implies 2 of, so 50 into 51 by 2 plus here also 5 of 20 into 21 by 2 minus 10 of 10 into 11 by 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled, this value, so 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25, 2550 plus 2 1s 2 10s. Okay, 21 10s are 210, multiply that one, 500, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 1015 minus here 2 1s 2 5s, 11 10s are 110, 110 into 5, 50 515 515. So then that implies this summation value, so 2550 also 1050 10 6 3, subtraction of 550 0 5 0 3050 3050 is the final solution, students. This is the way of operation, and to discuss last model. Right, last model, students, observe. Rahul's father wants to deposit some amount of money every year on the day of Rahul's birthday. On his first birthday, 100 rupees. On his second, 300. On his third, 600. On his fourth, 1000 rupees, and so on. What is the amount deposited by his father on Rahul's 15th birthday? Okay, here, observe, students. First birthday, how much rupees? 100. Second birthday, total means previous and present, both summation is 300. Next, the third. So we are taking, observe, amount deposited, how it is? So 100, next 300, 600, and also 1000, and so on. Questions, observe. So 100 already first deposit, adding to 100, 100 plus 200, 300. Next 300 plus adding 300, it becomes 600. 600 plus adding 400, we can get 1000, and so on like this. Observe. Next, Rahul's father deposited every year how much amount? First year 100, next second year 200. So 100 plus 200, it becomes 300 like that. Next, what about third year? 300, and so on, 400, and so on. Okay, that means more than every year. That means starting 100, second year 200, third year 300, fourth year 400, means more than every year. So what we find here? Rahul's father, amount deposited on 15th birthday. So 15th birthday. So amount deposited on 15th birthday. Amount deposited on 15th birthday equal. First birthday 100, second birthday 200, third birthday 300. So third 300. Automatically 15th birthday means it becomes 1500. So 1500. Okay, shall I clean the problem, students? Right. So in all the numbers, 100 is a common factor. So which implies 100 of 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on plus 15. Then that implies you sum of first year natural numbers formula. So how many digits are there? 15 numbers. So it becomes 15 into 16 by 2. So then that implies 100 into 2 ones, 2 eights. 15 eights are 120. So 100 into 120 nothing but 12,000 rupees. This is the final students. Very important. Okay. Yes, observe students. Here we discuss some important formulas. So totally playing with the numbers, total completed main concepts. After that we are starting 8th separate class, 9th separate syllabus as usual. Okay, so practice carefully students this problem. Yes, we go for the next important formula. About natural numbers. About natural numbers. So the students, first one, sum of 1, it becomes n. Summation means 1 taken n times 1 into n, nothing but n. Next, so observe here, you start symbols. Sum of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. Formula equal to n of n plus 1 by 2. This formula was given by Gauss. Next, sum of first n even natural numbers. Even natural numbers, simply naturals. Even natural numbers formula is n of n plus 1. N of n plus 1. Next, third one, sum of first n odd natural numbers.